Are you having problems with your Android TV lagging and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because myself, I had a lot of problems with this myself before, but I'm going to show you now. As you can see, I was able to fix it, so it's not lagging anything anymore for me here, and I'm going to show you how I did it actually. So the first thing we need to do is to go into apps right here, as you can see. So go into apps, and in here you're going to see your apps. So look for an app called Safety Guard if you have this one pre-installed on your TV. I had it pre-installed and it's a pretty awesome app, to be completely honest with you. So if you don't have the Safety Guard app, don't worry. You can always go into your Google Play Store, or you can search for apps and games here if you have that option as well, and just search for Safety Guard. And now when you have actually installed the app, you're going to click on the OK button here on the app here to open it up. And we're just going to wait a couple of seconds here now. And then what you're going to do in here is to just click on Device Manager, as you can see. So here you can click on either Quick Speed Up or Deep Cleanup. So Deep Cleanup, it's going to actually, if you click on it right here, it's going to clear all the app cache if you have any large files or other files on your TV, and it's going to be able to actually clean them for you automatically, basically by just clicking. I have everything clean now. As you can see, I've deleted everything here, so there's nothing for me to actually clean. Another thing, by the way, if you see, for example, I have a bunch of apps here. Actually, I'm not going to click on this app, sorry. There is a bunch of apps in here, right? So let's say let's search for example, this app right here. So I know that I have this one pre-installed on my TV. So I'm just going to, it's called Rakuten TV or something like that. And I'm just going to click on the app here. And you can do the same, by the way, for if you're going into Google Play Store, or like I did right here. And you can basically uninstall the app by clicking right here now. So you can always uninstall a couple of apps, and that will free up a lot of space on your TV as well, making your TV a lot faster. Because the more space you use, the less, it's going to be much slower and it's going to lag, if that makes sense. So try this and hopefully you will be able to actually fix it as well.